Check if she's single before you start the journey. Check if she's single before you start throwing money. Check if she's single before you start calling her bunny, because there might be another guy who is already calling her honey. So before you get excited, check before you start. Oh, but I've never seen her with another guy. I know. He might be sitting on the table of her heart. It's important to check these things before you book a date. Check if her table is free, or else you might be shocked and embarrassed when another guy shows up and says, yo, bro, this seat was reserved for me. Check these things while you're walking. Don't be in a hurry to fly. Hey, is there another guy? If there is, we don't need to force this conversation. We can end this after hi and bye. You can be honest with her too. I'm one guy looking for one wife through this one life. I'm not looking for a lady on the side. I also don't want to be a man on the side. I'm looking to stay committed to one, and I hope there will be one committed to me. And we don't have to continue this conversation if your table is not free. You check. Ladies, check. Guys, check. It's so important. And not just who is across the table. Check before you start. Check if there's anybody who's already sitting on the table of their heart. All right. Bless you.